Hello and welcome. Let's solve this question on probability. A team of 3 from 4 students are chosen from a group of 12 to represent the school in a maths contest. The students comprise of 5 girls and 7 boys. Part A, draw a probability tree diagram to represent the possible outcome. Then part B, use the tree diagram above to calculate 1. The probability that all the 3 students are of the same gender. 2. Probability that there is at most 2 girls. Then 3. Probability that there are more boys than girls. And 4. Probability that 2 boys are chosen first before a girl or 2 girls first before a boy. 2 marks. So those are the questions. Let's go to the first part. So is a team of 3 that is chosen, and the total number of students is 12. That is 5 girls. So girls are 5 and boys are 7. So you're supposed to draw a probability diagram to represent the possible outcomes. Now, since is a team of 3 that is chosen, we shall have a tree diagram with 3 branches. So the first branch will be like this. So the first branch, that is the first choice, boy, girl. That is the first choice. Then the second choice, we have boy or girl. This is the second choice, boy, girl. And then the last choice, third choice, because there are 3 students that are chosen, that will be boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, have boy, girl. So the 3 branches are representing the team of 3 because there are 3 students that are chosen. So the first choice, boys are there. Boys are 7. So the first choice will be, the probability of picking a boy will be 7 divided by 12. Then the girl, probability will be 5 divided by 12. Remember, the sum of each branch should give 1. 7 divided by 12 plus 5 divided by 12, you should get 1. There's no particular time that you should get something exceeding 1 in a probability branch. So that is the first choice. Now the second choice, now the total would change. You've picked a boy in the first choice, so the boys that are remaining, not 7 but now 6, the total students will have reduced by 1, so there will be 11. When you choose a boy, the girl is not affected, so the girl will remain to be 5, but the total change, it is 11. For the other part, we're still on the second choice. We choose a girl, so the boys will remain to be the same, to be 7 over 12. And then for the girl, not 7 over 12, but 7 over 11, because already you have chosen 1 student, so they are not 12, they are 11. And then the first choice, you picked a girl. Now the second choice, you're picking another girl, so the girl will reduce from 5 to 4, 4 over 11. We go to the third choice. Third choice, you picked a boy. The second choice, so the boys that are remaining are not 5, they are not 6 but 5. Then the total will have changed from 11 to 10. When you're picking a boy, the girl will not be affected. The girls from the second choice will still be 5 over 10. Then again, you are picking a girl, and you're still in this branch. When you pick a boy, the boys will still remain the same. They are 6, but the total is changing. And then look at these. The second choice, you picked a girl. Now you're picking a girl again. So the girls will reduce from 5 to 4 divided by 10. And also, I'd like you to observe that each branch, something here should guide you. When you get one, like this one is 6 divided by 10, automatically the other one should be 4 divided by 10. Because the total for each branch should give you 10. We go to the next one. This boy. So you can see the second choice, you picked a boy. So the boys will now change from 7 to 6. This 6 over 10. Then the girls will remain the same. From the second choice will remain to be 4. This will be 4 over 10. The next branch, we have a boy. You're picking a boy. So the boys will remain to be the same from the second branch. So you're here where we have the girls. So when you're picking the boy, boys will not change. So be 7 divided by 10. But when you look at this one, you're picking a girl again. So the second choice, there were 4. You pick again, they will reduce from 4 to 3. So this will be 3 divided by 10. So that is what you're supposed to get. So after doing that, complete this one for easier working. So from this branch here, you have boy. So that you pick 3 boys. Then the other one will be boy, girl. Girl. Then the other branch, boy, girl, boy. So boy, girl, boy. Then the other one is boy, girl, girl. Boy, girl, girl. Then this one is girl, boy. Girl, boy. The other one is girl, boy, girl. Girl, boy, girl. And then we have girl, boy. And then the last one, 3 girls. Girl. So the tree diagram is complete. You should be very careful when you're filling that tree diagram, because that is what determines whether you're going to get the other questions that follow. Use the diagram above to calculate the probability that all the students are of the same gender. So of the same gender means you either get the 3 of them to be boys or the 3 of them to be girls. So the same gender means you either get, this is the probability of getting 3 boys or 3 girls. So therefore, we are going to take that branch, 3 boys. The 3 boys will be represented by 7 divided by 12 times 6 divided by 11 times 5 divided by 10, or in probability, that is addition. And girl, this is take this branch here, 5 divided by 12 times this one, 4 divided by 11 times 3 divided by 10, like that. So use the calculator to work out these, to be very keen. So 7 divided by 12 times 6 divided by 11 times 5 divided by 10, that one will give 210 divided by 1320. Then for the girls, 5 divided by 12 multiply by 4 divided by 11 multiply by 3 divided by 10, that will give 60 divided by 1320. So when you add these, you get 270 divided by 1320, and you should leave this one in a simplest form. When you simplify that, this one should give 9 divided by 44. So part 2 of the question, probability that there is at most 2 girls. At most 2 girls. So what do you mean by at most 2 girls? So at most 2 girls means that you need either none or 1 and a maximum of 2. You just use or 0, 1 or 2. Simply, it means that there is only need for a maximum of 2 girls. So either none, the girls, 1 girl, or 2 girls in the 3 members that are picked. So when you go to the diagram, simply I want you to check instances where you have either none of the girls, like here, the first one we need these, we require these. That one we need because there's 0 girls. Here we have 1, we require that. We require this one, we have a girl. We require this one, we have 2 girls. Only maximum of 2 girls. Then here we have 1 girl, we require that, 2 girls, we require that, we require that. The only place where we will rule out is where we have 3 girls, because at most 2 means either you have 0 girls, 1 or 2. So the easiest way to work out this is by simply taking the probability by getting 1 subtract. You take 1 subtract the probability of getting the 3 girls. Whatever remains is this here. That is what you're going to have. So you take 1 subtract the probability of getting 3 girls. So that is what you're going to do. So this one will be given by probability of getting 1 subtract the 3 girls. That is what you're going to do. So we take 1 subtract the probability of picking or getting or choosing 3 girls. We already got it from here. So look at these 3 girls. We got it here. It is here. It is 60 divided by 1320. So 60 divided by 1320. So that is whatever remains now is what is required at most 2 girls. So this one will give, when you work out this one using a calculator, you will get 21 divided by 22. As simple as that. Then the other part 3, the probability that there are more boys than girls, the probability that there are more boys than girls, more boys than girls. So what do you mean by that? More boys than girls means the probability of 3 boys, or we have boy, girl, or a probability of boy, girl, boy, or probability of girl, boy, boy. In simple terms, we are considering situations where we have more boys than girls, and since there are 3 members, 3 boys, there are more boys than girls there. They're not actually they are not girls. Then the second one, 2 boys, 1 girl, 2 boys, and so on. So from the tree diagram, these are the ones that I've identified. So that one, 2 boys are here, 2 boys are here, 2 boys are here. Then where this one? This one is I think those are the only one. We don't require this one because there are more girls here than boys, more girls. So this one is required. So it is this for 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we multiply that out. So the first one is 7 divided by 12. Very fast. 7 divided by 12 multiplied by 6 over 11, 5 over 10. So apply that one very fast. So 7 over 12. This one will give 7 over 12 multiplied by 6 over 11 multiplied by 5 over 10. Then plus boy, girl, boy, girl. Go to the diagram. So what we need here is this boy, boy, girl. So you multiply this, multiply this, multiply by this. So 7/12 times 6/11, and then 5/10. Then boy, girl, boy, boy, girl, boy, boy, girl, boy. So boy, this one, girl, then boy. Boy, well, this is a 5/11. 6/10. Girl, boy, boy, girl, boy, boy. So girl, boy, boy. This one, So girl is 5/12. Boy, boy 6/10. So multiply out these. The first one here, this is what you're going to get. 7/12 multiplied by 6/11 times 5/10. You will get 210. Is it 210? Let me check. 210. Yeah, 210 divided by 1320. The second one, 7/12 times 6/11 times 5/10. Again 210 over 1320. Then 7/12 times 5/11 times 6/10. 210 over 1320. Actually, all of them here are giving the same. This is a 210 over 1320. So when you add everything, you will get 840 over 1320. And when you simplify these, you will get 7 divided by 11. So that is the probability that there are more boys than girls. The last one, the probability that two boys are chosen first. Two boys are chosen first before a girl, or two girls first before a boy. So that means probability either two boys are chosen first, that is a boy, boy, girl. Two boys are chosen first before a girl, or two girls are chosen first, girl, girl, boy. That is what we mean. So you just go to the branch, we get boy, boy, girl, boy, boy, girl, and we have it here. Don't need actually to go that we have it here. So we've multiplied it here, boy, boy, girl. It is here. So that one we can take it as 7 divided by 12, multiplied by 6/11 times 5/10. That is boy, boy, girl, plus girl, girl, boy, girl, girl, boy, girl, girl, boy is here, girl, girl, boy. So girl, girl, boy. You can see that, So we add that, girl, girl, boy. So that is a 5/12 times 4/11. And then the boy, which is 7/10. So when you multiply these, you will get 7/12 times 6/11 times 5/10. You get 210 over 1320 plus this is 20 times 7 on 40 over 1320. And when you add these, you will get 350 divided by 320, and when you divide these, you simplify it, you will get 35 divided by 132. So that is simply how you are supposed to solve that question.